Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the front control arm on Citroen C5. This is the control arm right there. It's held by on 3 points. One of them is just there on this bushing. On the other side over there, the other bushing is held by 2 bolts underneath. And then there is another point on the other side that we need to remove. First we start by removing the wheel. Next we'll remove this bolt for the control arm, then we'll remove this one for where the bushing is caught. We'll have to remove it from the top. And then these 2 bolts we need to remove as well for the other bushing on the control arm. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. For the bolt on the front bushing, there is not much space to put in a socket, so I'm going to use a wrench, a long wrench, size 15, and it will work. Now that the bolt is loose, I'm going to use a shorter wrench to remove it. Once I loosen this bolt all the way, I'm going to try to remove it, but in my case it's not possible because the drive shaft is on the way. So in order to remove it, I'm going to have to remove the twist rod and also the tie rod end. Now that I removed the twist rod and the tie rod end, I'm going to push the whole wheel to the rear so that I get enough space to remove the bolt. And that's the bolt out. Now that I've removed all the bolts of the control arm, I'm going to use a pry bar to take out the control arm. And that's the control arm out. Now that the control arm is ready to go in, next we'll show you how to put in the control arm. It's a little bit hard to put in the control arm back in its place, but it will go in eventually. You might need to hammer it in a little bit, maybe pry it in a little bit, and it will work. I'm going to lift the whole wheel hub to the top so that the control arm goes a little bit up, and this way to go straighter in. And now I'm going to hammer it in, and then maybe use a pry bar to pry it in, and then put on the bolts. Once you put on all the bolts, you assemble everything in the reverse order, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.